Hi everyone, my name is Thuy Nguyen. I am a computational biologist here at FormBio, and today I want to show you how you can download publicly available sequencing data from the Sequencing Read Archive, or the SRA. So I'll show you in this example, we will try to download data from an existing study on 1-million-year-old DNA from mammoth samples. That was published in this paper here, and I want to jump straight into the section called data availability, and we're going to want to figure out what ascension number this study is associated with, and the data availability section should list it. So here we have the this ascension number PRJ, blah blah blah. We want to make sure that this ID actually exists in the European Nucleotide Archive. So I'm going to copy this and then paste it into the European Nucleotide Archive, or the ENA browser. The ascension number has to exist in the European Nucleotide Archive or the workflow won't work. I'm going to paste the ascension number for the paper into the search box, and I see that there's one study, one project associated with 88 runs or 88 experiments. Okay, and the goal here would be to download all these FASTQ files from all of these runs for this study. And it looks like that this project exists and is associated with all these FASTQ files. So the nice thing about the workflow is that you will only need this Ascension ID. Oh, excuse me. You will only need this Ascension to run the workflow and to be able to pull out all of these FASTQ files. Okay, so let's move over to the platform. So this is the homepage for your project on the FormBio platform. For downloading SRA data, we're going to click Run a Workflow, go to Download Data Files, click on the black box that says Run Workflow, choose Short Read Archive, and we're going to create a new spreadsheet with the SRA ID. Okay, so name this Demo Mammoth Million-year finish. Click the next step, and then you're going to give the name of the workflow. I'm just going to do my initials and Mammoth. Sorry. And then click Run Workflow. Okay, this goes straight to a page called Workflow Activity, and it just lists all of the jobs that are happening right now on the platform for this project. So I'm going to click on TNN Mammoth SRA, the name of my run. And as this is initializing, there'll be more information that'll pop up. But in the end, all your FASTQ files should live under All Files here, and you'll be able to use this data for downstream studies and other FormBio workflows to advance your science. I hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions about this or any of our other workflows, please email support@formbio.com. Thank you for your time.